To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Be sure to remove your micro SD card before beginning the battery replacement process. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to open your Samsung Galaxy tablet. Set aside the back cover of your tablet. Peel back the adhesive on the original battery, then lift and disconnect as shown. Set the original battery aside. Carefully connect and seat your new extended life battery from newpower99.com. Replace the back cover and snap into place as shown. Reinsert your micro SD card. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy tab with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Samsung Galaxy tab should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.